chandeliers gleam. A circle of ladies moves like a dream. Silk and lace in a graceful flow, soft voices blending in a gentle glow. They gather here with timeless care, carrying stories the ages share. Every gesture calm and true, honoring rituals old yet new. In silk and light they gather near, keeping tradition warm and clear. Graceful steps in a sacred line, holding the past in their design. Unity blooms in the quiet air, a heritage woven with love and care. Behind each smile there lies a thread of memories gently handed ahead. Ancestral whispers guide their way through every custom of this day. Though the world outside may change, these rituals hold a steady range. A moment carved in dignity's art, bringing calm to each beating heart. In silk and light they gather near, keeping tradition warm and clear. Graceful steps in a sacred line, holding the past in their design. Unity blooms in the quiet air, a heritage woven with love and care. Elegance lives where the heart